Today, we are going to bring you an important product that could take good care of you. We hope with comprehensive health monitoring and medical-grade health services, we can help you better manage your health. This is the brand new Huawei Watch D, Huawei's first ECG and blood pressure monitor. It has been certified by Level 2 medical device registration. It is a new product from Huawei. It is made of custom-made high-hardness aviation aluminum for improved strength, durability, and scratch resistance. It is also very light, weighing only 1/6 of a traditional blood pressure meter, making it more comfortable to wear. The 1.64-inch HD color screen and 326 ppi retina level clarity make all information easily accessible at a glance. The watch has also undergone rigorous air tightness testing, making it the only IP68 anti-dust and water-resistant blood pressure watch in the industry, allowing you to use it with great confidence every day. We offer consumers two color options, classic black and elegant titanium. The clean design will serve as a decorative part for you. Huawei Watch D is a breakthrough professional health watch that can monitor your blood pressure continuously. With years of technical accumulation in the digital health field, Huawei pioneered the continuous blood pressure measurement technology on your wrist, making accurate and non-intrusive blood pressure monitoring possible for the first time. The precision measurement capabilities of Huawei Watch D is derived from the innovative hardware design. The micro pump, which is only the size of a dime, can achieve a maximum compression capability of 40 kPa and support accurate blood pressure measurement in a range of 40 to 230 mmHg. Huawei pioneered the arc-shaped double-layer superimposed narrow airbag design, which helped achieve high precision measurement with a band that is 30 mm wide. The organic arc-shaped airbag design allows the watch to fit perfectly with the wrist, and the pressure change can be more accurately detected. The new non-intrusive impulse wave detection system integrates 8 photoelectric sensors in a ring layout, and more channels of signal feedback bring more powerful anti-interference capabilities to achieve accurate pulse wave signal detection. Huawei created a hybrid measurement algorithm to further improve the detection capabilities of Watch D. The powerful AI computing capabilities can perform deep fusion calculation on a pressure pulse wave detected by the airbag and a pulse wave monitored by the PPG to obtain accurate high-definition pulse waves, implementing continuous monitoring of blood pressure. The measurement precision of the Watch D meets the national standard of the pharmaceutical industry. Compared with standard blood pressure value, the mean error of the SBP is only 0.13 mmHg, and the mean error of the DBP is only 0.34 mmHg. The measurement precision is far better than other blood pressure monitors, as you can see from this slide. This product not only makes accurate measurement, but also records blood pressure data throughout the day to monitor changes. You will be able to have access to blood pressure changes via the Huawei Health app, so that you will know the reasons of blood pressure changes. Huawei Watch D not only provides professional blood pressure detection function, but also professional ECG collection function. It is the industry's first medical watch that supports both blood pressure measurement and ECG data collection, so it can conveniently help you to monitor your health. The watch's battery life is equally excellent, with 6 blood pressure measurement and 5 ECG a day. It's still up to 7 days of battery life, so you can constantly maintain your health. It is easy for you to charge it. Wireless charging function allows you to charge it easily. As you all know, the precise detection capabilities of Huawei wearables bring more possibilities for digital health and healthcare. Since 2018, we have cooperated with professional medical institutions to conduct health research on heart, blood vessel, sleep apnea, and other health problems based on risk variables. More than 6.5 million users have benefited from those studies to date. Today, based on the Huawei Watch D's powerful blood pressure monitoring capabilities, we bring more professional health research services that will be launched with the Innovation Research app. Hypertension is one of the most harmful cardiovascular and cerebral vascular diseases, and it needs to be monitored continuously in order to better detect masked hypertension. Blood pressure monitoring is different from other measurement because blood pressure violates a lot, and your status and position and posture will also be changed. It may vary throughout the day. China International Exchange and Promotional Association for Medical and Healthcare, CPAM, worked together with 301 Wuhan Asian Heart Hospital and Guangdong Provincial Hospital to launch a new blood pressure healthy study. Let me show you a video to hear some input from an expert. Blood pressure is the major cause of diseases for chronic disease. Many people may show no symptoms. Even the pressure is very high, but it will continue to affect your organs. It is not enough for you to just monitor blood pressure occasionally. You will need to measure your blood pressure throughout the day and in a long-term base. You may think blood pressure monitoring is very easy, but it's a big challenge. The CPAM work together with Huawei to launch blood pressure health management. We hope with portable devices, we are able to help to improve the screening of blood pressure or hypertension disease and help to manage their health throughout the day. This is what we expect to see. After users joining the blood pressure health study, you can use Huawei Watch D to automatically measure blood pressure in 24 hours a day to detect masked hypertension risks in a timely manner. You can not only measure your own blood pressure, you can also participate in the research to dynamically monitor your blood pressure in an automatic way. This way, you will be able to know the blood pressure fluctuation and identify potential problems. The blood pressure trend monitoring based on the non-intrusive pulse wave detection system can continuously monitor the blood pressure change trend throughout the day. Prompt when the blood pressure is too high and rhythm is abnormal, help identify the risks of cardiovascular disease and provide further health advice. Now let's talk more about heart health research. It has been conducted for multiple years. With the launch of Huawei Watch D, we upgrade this research. We have at the high heart rate AF screening. We are able to identify arrhythmia risks in an accurate way. Vascular health research can help screen for atherosclerosis risk, provide professional health advice, and enable active vascular health management at home. More importantly, we not only provide a wonderful device for you to protect your health, the Huawei Watch D. At the same time, we also offer professional digital health service. We work with Ping An to provide Huawei Watch D users to provide 1-year exclusive service. This way, we are able to help them actively manage their daily health. It includes private doctors and registration service in top level A hospitals. Together with the monitoring capabilities, we will be able to help accurately monitor the body indicators. You can communicate with doctors and specialists in a timely manner so that you will know how to better manage your health. We provide private doctor diagnosis services. The designated doctors will provide professional recommendations to you covering diet, sleep, exercise. It could help to provide customized health management plan. This is also part of the project we work with Ping An. Experts can also help to interpret weekly blood pressure reports for you 24/7, follow your conditions in real time, and alert you of health risks at early stage. They can also interpret ECG, analyze ECG measurement, and provide health management advice for you for unlimited times within the year. This relies on accurate blood pressure collection and ECG collection together with the health service we provided with Ping An. This way, we are able to provide end-to-end health solution for consumers, and consumers can better master your health, and you will be able to lead a more healthy life. So this is the Huawei's first wrist ECG blood pressure monitor, the Huawei Watch D, which has medical-grade blood pressure monitoring and ECG collection capabilities, comprehensive health management services, convenient intelligent functions, and classic and minimalist design. I hope you will like it.